Hello everyone, this is Rashmi and I've got two of my students who have cleared SLK software, and I have got Anugnya and Apeksha. Both are from the CS branch. We had 19 selects and I want to ask both of them how the whole experience was. So first of all, Anugnya, what was the eligibility criteria, do you remember?
Yes, it was 60% of marks. So if it is in CGP, it was 6.75. It was open to all the branches like CS, IS, EC and mechanicals. So that was
that. And do you remember the role?
They said like after the
Designation?
No, like they said like they'll be giving us training. So once we clear those trainings, based on the marks, they will provide us the job description.
Job description. The roles were going to be specified there.
Right.
All right. And Apeksha, do you remember the rounds? What are the rounds for the?
Yes, there were 5 sections. First was quants, there was logical reasoning, verbal, then technical, and finally coding section. In quants, there were around 20 to 23 questions, and similarly, logical and verbal had the same number of questions. The technical questions had 15 questions for 30 minutes. The quants, logical reasoning and verbal were 60 questions in total of 60 minutes each. I mean total 60 minutes.
Yeah.
And then there was coding section. One question was there, and that was for 30 minutes.
All right.
So totally there were 120 minutes to complete the whole test.
Okay. So how was it? I mean, was it difficult for you? I mean, for both of you? I mean, what was the level of difficulty?
It was average actually because we were given training from college itself, so we maintained the.
So you found it fairly easy.
Fairly easy.
And so, do you remember in the quants what was it? What are the topics that were covered?
In quants they asked about number systems, then about the algebraic equations, in other.
Yeah, anything. Both can you remember?
Quants there was ratio, time and distance, then the boat problems, the train problems.
That's all. And technical, you know what? How was technical for you?
Yeah, technical they basically asked about the OOPS concepts, like we have the 4 pillars, abstractions and all. So based on the applications, they have asked many questions, and also the networking questions, because we had in 6th semester, I guess, in the CN subject. So based on the networking, the formulas they asked about.
All right. So was it the same paper even for the mechanical and all the branches?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is taught even in the first year, because how did they clear then?
Which one, ma'am?
All these technical, for them it was a different technical, or do you know anything like that, or?
No, it was, the paper was same for
everyone. But then see, technical you're all studying, but mechanical and all.
Technical is basically the basic questions.
Okay. So you all studied this in?
Yeah, it was there in PCD in the first year.
First year itself. Yeah. All right. And so anything to add about the technical? Do you remember any specific questions?
Technical, if you want during the test or during the interview?
No, into a test. I'm talking about.
Test is basically you should know the basics of OOPS, DBMS, all those concepts. You should be strong.
Okay, so what is there's choice? It's a choice? No. Multiple choices there.
Yeah.
And there's there's multiple choice for the questions.
Yes.
And there's a tick mark. I mean, there's negative marking.
No
negative marking. So you felt that the time was enough.
Yes.
And coding, how was it? How was the level of difficulty for
coding?
It was
average.
We could solve it.
So can you give me an example of how it was, the coding?
The coding questions were basically, which I got was strings. So it is like, but the question I got was, it's like there is a family, and that family we have to show a couple has how many kids. That tree should be shown.
So that is simple.
Yeah, it's strings. Yeah,
strings. Okay. Anything?
So my question was about the connectivity in the channels. So if I have if I am connecting to one network, so how many groups you will do? So if I am got second numbers, so if say the multiples of 2, so if 2 multiples are 2, 4, 6, 8, so I'll make a group along with them. So 3 multiples will become 3, 6, 9. So it was like how many groups you can perform with the n2, n plus 1.
Okay. So that was easy.
It was manageable.
Manageable. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. So once you cleared all the rounds, what was the next one?
Next we had there was a pre-placement talk after that.
Okay, the pre-placement talk was after that.
After the test. Then we had our technical interview on 26th.
So how was the pre-placement talk? Did you ask questions, both of you, or?
Many I had queries about the bonds. It was like 2 years bonds. So many queries were settled there only because
All
other
right.
colleges were always there.
Yeah.
So they asked questions. So it was a clear one.
It was cleared.
Yeah.
All right. So after that, what did you have?
Then we had on the same day we had our technical interview. In my technical interview, he stressed more on my minor and major projects. So I explained what my projects were. I had 2 projects in hand. So then after explaining my projects, he asked me like what a full stack developer means. So they were more specifically stressing on the technologies they wanted now. They are the present projects they are working on. So they are searching people who will work on such projects, who will be interested on such
Okay.
projects.
So I mean, so it was easy because do you all study all that in college or?
Yeah, some
Yeah,
subjects
some
we have it in this
All right.
semester.
Okay.
So
Okay.
we are basically studying those concepts.
All right. So for you, how was the technical?
Technical round, first is the question like introduce yourself. So I mentioned about my DBMS project. So there I included about the Java programming language. So all questions were based on Java.
Okay.
So it was like interlinked. So when I answered this, the question was based on that answer.
Yeah.
So first question was based on the static variables. So since I answered that, he asked where it is used applications. Then he went to arrays. So after that arrays, he went to array list and difference between arrays and array list. So next he went to, in that program itself, he'll ask like you have to delete the duplicacy numbers in the arrays. So later he asked a programming question. It was like he asked me which programming language you are comfortable. I said like I'm comfortable with C. So he asked like if I am knowing any sorting algorithms. So I said the merge algorithms. Then he asked the connection between the front end and back end. So that was a simple one.
Okay. So this, so it was something. The answers were the questions were all based on what you had said,
Yes,
right?
yes.
So on your resume and
Yes.
your projects and all
Yeah.
that. Anything for you? You know, how was it? The interviews other than what they asked?
In the technical as such, he asked me which my favorite coding language was. We were
Okay.
CS, so obviously it is one question that we should be able to answer. So I am very strong with C. So I
Okay.
was like,
Very good. Huh.
So I was like, C is my favorite language, and based on that language, he asked me a program. It's like you have to give 2 dates as input, and then it should give you an output of the difference between the 2 days. Like if you give 2 dates, and suppose you give 25th and 26th as your dates, it should show as 1 day difference.
Okay. So that was easy.
Yeah.
So because you were good at it. All right. Anything else? So how in the interviews? Anything else?
Yeah, they ask you to if we have any queries to us. I
Yeah.
think we have to ask the questions. When they ask like if
Yeah, yeah. So
I'm-
did you have a question? Yeah, it's
Yes.
very important when they ask you that. Do you have any questions? So did you have anything?
Yeah, I had like I asked them like what is the procedure after if we are getting any selected.
All right. Okay.
So he explained it very well.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. For you, anything?
For me, in the HR interview, he basically asked me about myself in the beginning. Then he was talking about my personal life, about my family, and then he gave me a scenario like. Scenario, and he wanted to see how I would tackle it. Like he was like, if I'm working in a company now, if I'm working in that company now, and I come across an error, then how would I solve it? Like all my colleagues, my project manager, all are busy. How would I overcome it? So I was like, I would Google it and I would search it on the website. He was like, if you're if you know any websites that way. I was like, yes, I most of the time use the same website. So that's why I specified the website also. Then after that, he asked me about C++ and Java.
Even in the HR? Okay.
And he was like, during developing apps, which language would you use? And I was like, we use Java. If it's iOS, like in Apple phones, then we would use Flutter.
Okay.
That's
All right. Anything in the HR round?
Yes, main question is like tell me about yourself.
Yes.
Yeah. Then he asked like
So you're telling me about yourself in the technical is different from the tell me about yourself in the HR,
No,
is it?
it's same,
It's
it's
almost
same,
the
yeah.
same. Okay.
It's like then he asked like which language I'm comfortable. I said C, but he said like in their company they use Java. So he said why you think you are eligible for this? So I said like C is a base one. So if you know C, you can learn Java.
Yes.
So I said I'm a learner. So he said he was satisfied with the answers. Then he asked about how my friends describe me.
Okay.
Then he asked about my family,
All right.
what they do, how where they work and all. Then he asked about my projects. So he
Alright.
said, you have mentioned 2 projects in your resume. So he asked the idea behind it.
Uh-huh.
So I had explained about the idea, so he was impressed. Then, yeah, only so much he asked. Then finally he said like, are you okay with coming to Bangalore? Is your parents allow you? So I was like, yeah. Then he's congratulated me and said they are
Okay.
selected.
Oh wow. So that is nice.
Yeah,
They
had-
told the results
yeah,
immediately.
in that day
Oh,
itself.
that's so good, right? Because then the frustration or the waiting period, whether it's there or not.
Yes.
So yeah. So just wanted to ask you both, any tips for the juniors? How should they prepare for any campus?
Uh, basically, if you want to get into a company, first round is clearing the first
Yeah,
round.
aptitude
So
round.
aptitude is the most important thing. Technical is once you clear apti. So apti, you should start practicing as much as possible. As much as you work out, it is much profitable to us.
All right. Anything?
Yeah, because in the interview round, because many get nervous and all, so I think go slow in the beginning. So once you get the catch, you can deliberate yourself, like you can explain yourself, you can explore yourself. So I think that's the one point.
All right. Okay. Thank you both of you very much, and I hope you all have a very successful innings at SLK.
Yes.
And it's bye from all of us here.
Thank you.